Hey, it's Junior, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how I prep for my mural projects with my mural checklist. So let's get started. First and foremost, you're gonna wanna get a mural checklist. You're gonna wanna write down everything that you bring to a mural project. Even if you're not gonna use it all the time, have it in your mural checklist so that you will never forget it if you're there and you need it. Get you one of these wagons. These wagons here is just so useful. They are just the best things ever. I use it for my murals because, I mean, look at how much space that's in. It's a lot of space. Let's start off with the first thing that we need, and that's our paint. I have all of my paint in this massive container. It's not pretty massive, but it's big for me. I probably won't use 90% of these paints, maybe even 95, but I always bring them just in case I'll need them. Second is a color wheel. So this mural project, I'm not gonna need this color wheel very much. All of my paints are already mixed. I already bought them so that I just have to apply it on the wall. Paintbrushes. So paintbrushes is unnecessary. You're definitely gonna have to bring your paintbrushes. You're gonna wanna bring paint rollers and paint tray. I'm not gonna use big rollers in this project. I'm just gonna use little ones like this. This project is a lot more detailed than having to have a massive paint roller. A bucket is so necessary for a mural project. You don't wanna constantly have to go back and forth to get water. So when you get there, you always have your bucket to fill some water up, just in case you need some, just in case if you got a spill or if you need some water, you have it right next to you. This mural that I'm gonna be doing requires me to airbrush. So I'm gonna be bringing both of my airbrushes. Because I'm gonna be airbrushing, you need a compressor to use the airbrush to have it compress air through the airbrush so that it can spray paint. A knee pad. You're gonna wanna use a knee pad. I got a Husky one, and it's like, it works wonders. Sandpaper and sanding blocks. Not gonna need that. Because this is a brand new house that someone commissioned me to paint their mural for, the walls are already beautiful, they look clean, and all I have to do is paint on. Drop cloths are very, very important to bring to any of your mural projects. Masking tape is a must for any mural project. I always bring masking tape to cover the walls that I won't be painting on. The tape that I love to use is frog tape. That lighting is terrible. And frog tape comes in all different sizes. It comes in large, medium, and small. I love tape. Gosh, I love tape. I always have a 25-foot tape measure with me that I use, and I also like to bring this yardstick. So this yardstick helps me get straight edges and straight line. I just purchased a larger stepladder, and I now have 4 or 5 feet of space where I can get some leverage. Before I only had a 2-step ladder, but this one now is a 3-step ladder, and it also comes with a paint tray. So this paint tray allows me to have paint on top of it while I'm painting and not have to constantly get off the step ladder to go get some paint. So wiping cloths I use for almost all of my projects, even when I paint at home. Project sketches or reference images. So this is a very important one, and the reason why is because you always want to have your sketch or your design on paper. You can't go to a mural project without bringing paper towels, so bring yourself a roll of paper towels. Whoa. I'm going to be bringing my projector, and I'm going to be bringing my projector stand. Then you can project your image. Like, it's not that magical, I just kind of make it look like that. Anytime I'm creating, I like to have music with me. So make sure you have your speakers, make sure you bring your headphones, make sure that you kind of get in your mental state and like do your thing. And last but not least, bring snacks. Bring something to munch on because you're gonna get hungry, like oranges, bananas. I'm naming everything that I like, but bring whatever the heck you want. That's basically it. So we went through our whole mural checklist. I got all of everything that I needed, and I think we're ready. I think we're good. So if you liked this video and you thought that it was useful tips, make sure you hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all my projects, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.